Welcome back to SolidCAD Tutorials. Today we will see how to create part using SolidWorks. Now, let's start to create this 3D model. Here, we are going to create this model by using some SolidWorks features. Starting with model, we will first create it from bottom side. To create bottom part, I will select top plane first. Referring this image, we need to enter width as 64 mm, and length as 96 mm. After entering the value, need to convert it into solid. For creating solid, go to Feature and select Extruded Boss or Base command. Here in image, we need to enter extrude height as 16 mm. To create a slot cut, select face of the base, then select slot from sketch window and draw it at right side, keeping some distance from bottom side. After this, make sure slot is parallel to bottom edge. Referring to this image as shown, there is 16 mm distance from bottom edge. As shown in image, there is 16 mm distance from bottom slot edge to bottom edge, and slot diameter is 16 mm. After this, plot 20 mm distance from slot center to right edge of the base part. And then, make sure your sketch is fully defined. After this, click on Save and Exit button, then from Feature Command Manager, select Extruded Cut, and perform a slot cut. Now, as shown in drawing, we need to create a rib, selecting face for sketch to perform rib by using 3-point arc. For using 3-point arc, select point 1 from the right upper edge from base, and plot second point on the left upper side. Draw a perpendicular line from start of base part which will connect us to the curve. Next, referring the drawing, we need to enter the vertical length as 64 mm, and give radius as 48 mm. After entering value, select Save and Exit button, and, by using Ctrl+7, we will set this model into an isometric view. Referring drawing, select Sketch and enter 16 mm as extrude value. Here, we need to create a selected part from the diagram. For creating this, select the back face of the base part, then select Sketch, and plot the sketch shown in the reference drawing. Make sure the sketch is fully constrained, and add dimension according to that. Dimensions for the following sketch are as follow: 8 mm will be the horizontal distance from the right side, radius will be 12 mm and the last horizontal distance will be 8 mm. Now, hit the Save and Exit button, and change the view of the model to an isometric view. Next, use Extruded Boss or Base, choose Blinded, flip the direction and enter extrude distance as 42 mm. After completing block part, referring to the drawing, here we need to create the rib. To create rib, select backside of the base part. Draw the sketch where we need to create rib. Choose corner point for creating rib, means sketch complete close triangle. Then click on Save and Exit button to get out from sketch mode. Press Ctrl+7 key for isometric view and then select Extruded Boss or Base. Flipping it to opposite direction, and entering 12 mm as extrude value. So here, we've completed our tutorial on SolidWorks Basics. I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new today. Thank you for watching.